Oh, crap.
Hopefully it's not too bad.
I made dozens of calls today, and I wrote everyone down I talked to, but I can't remember who I called for what truck repair.
Are you writing things down on paper? I thought your generation was supposed to be so high tech.
Yeah. I guess I should be putting everything down in a spreadsheet or something?
No, you should be logged into the TruckDown.
I am.
Look here, let me show you. Just go to your TruckDown call history. All your calls are already logged for you, along with what searches you were doing when you called them.
Problem solved.
Lunch is on you.
TruckDown.com. 24/7 access to 40,000 verified heavy-duty repair vendors nationwide. TruckDown verified, vendor qualified. TruckDown.com